today I've just replaced a new washer on the slipping issue of the Kickstarter of the DT50. So I just removed the old washer, which is thin and causes the gear not to engage the Kickstarter gear. So just put a new washer, which is thick and new, so it will not wobble anymore. So I just put back the Kickstarter mechanism and just assemble the clutch assembly, which I just finished. So next I'm gonna put the clutch plates. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, I just finished install the clutch plates. Now is next is I'm gonna put the clutch cover on the gasket, the rubber, then put back clutch cover. Okay, there we have it. Just put the screws back and we're finished. Thanks for watching. Peace.